Welcome back to Baja. We're Brian, Marishia, and Carlos. A 4x4 van, 2 people, 1 dog, working our way through Baja towards mainland Mexico. We're now more than 2 weeks in, and we're currently working our way south along the coast of the Sea of Cortez. We just left the dirt roads and are headed to La Paz. All right, we were driving around La Paz looking for a place just like this.
Hola! Hola desde La Paz, Baja California Sur. Puro Tortugón. Welcome to La Paz. Welcome to La Paz.
All right, thank you. I love it. If it tastes as good as it smells, we're in for a treat. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. That's my finger. That's my finger. These are huge. And then we got a branded torta. How was it? Our first tacos.
I mean, it's not your traditional taco by any stretch, but it's awesome.
Yummy. I can't wait. This torta just made my world. These tacos are ridiculous. If you like guac,
Yeah.
I mean, it's loaded. It's so good.
They're not like your normal ones, but like, they're awesome.
We're gonna call them elevated street tacos.
They're like a
Good.
street taco, Philly cheesesteak.
Yeah, good. To get that bad boy to go.
So full.
So
Too much.
full.
Too much.
Yeah. We should have got 1 taco each instead of 2 tacos each and a giant torta the size of my thigh. Now we have to go over there. It's $22 for a month membership. Just saying. And he was throwing in the towel, but he is not.
I'm going for it.
It's so good. We can heat that bad boy up in the pan later. We're not wanting to ever find a spot in the dark. We sure seem to be doing it a lot on this trip. You guys hear that? We made it. Had to do a little off-roading in the dark. Not too much, but a little bit. We're probably 20 yards from the water, which is awesome. So I cannot wait to see this in the morning. Good night. We're tired. Right? Why does every day end with all this speeding sauce? And this is typically what the end of a really long day looks like. After a day of errands, getting water, fuel, groceries. And nights like this are usually a download of what we did. What we did right, what we did not so right. And then we usually plan our next few days. Best we can, anyway. Where are we right now? That's a whole week to do this to get to there. That's nothing.
Yeah, it all depends on, hey, do you want to spend 1 day here, 2, 3, 4? That's that snorkeling area. That could be a day. That's 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. And you're there.
Yeah, I did want to spend at least half a day there because that's where my friend Doug lives. Instead of doing La Paz tomorrow, we would just do La Paz before the ferry.
Yes, that you could do
at the
for
end.
sure. Yeah, that was thinking of the same thing as we do it then. Maybe even get a couple days because if you come up and we don't know if we can get on a ferry, we might have to wait a day or 2.
Yeah, that'd be cool. And after all that's done, it's called Do Absolutely Nothing Time, aka Netflix. Good morning. Carlos, go swim.
I see the bombs falling down, not to mention the fire. There's a lion in my bed, slowly moving towards me.
Are you sad because we got out of the water?
This is what happens when Carlos knows that we're about to leave.
He knows we're leaving. Look at him.
He likes to hide, so as you walk away,
Are you hiding? Are you hiding all low? Yeah. It's okay, buddy. We're gonna hit more water today. Hitting the road, guys. I think we're gonna take today the trail that we tried last time we were here and had to turn around. A couple of reasons. So yeah, wish us luck today. That will drop us down into the backside of Las Barriles. See you on the trail.
See Doug.
We're gonna go see Dan Doug and see what he's up to. He's a friend I went to high school, junior high. I think he left freshman year, but it's been, we'll just say, a really long time since I've seen him. Because we were passing through La Paz, and it wouldn't be right if we didn't revisit our very first chicken roaster, the place that started it all, El Pollo Loco.
Puro chicken. Yeah. Puro pollo, pollo loco.
Pollo Loco!
Pollo loco. Algo bien. Excelente. Puro pollo loco.
I love these guys. We always get the good places.
This
We're
is
always having fun.
this is the very first chicken place we ever tried, so we're back.
Yeah.
Brian's taking Carlos out. Let me get this all set up. We just pulled off 20 yards down the road so that we can eat this amazingness. Like right now while it's hot. Ooh, I love this macaroni salad is awesome. And Brian usually is obsessed with the salsas that come with this. It is stupid good. Stupid good. Hi, buddy. Did you go pee-pee?
Break.
Nope, nope, not for you. Not for you. We can cut the top off this because then I can put it in a Tupperware after.
Remember liking that. May not be my favorite, man. That one we had in San Felipe.
Yeah. That's good.
Wow.
We'll see. It's so good. Why
So
aren't
good.
more people into this?
This one specifically, I think has the best chicken, especially for that's not a dry rub. It's so good. The flavor is incredible.
That's good. You don't have to watch us eat. We're following these guys ahead of us and can only imagine what's going on in this truck. They're like, hands are flying, they're yapping, and the hazard lights are on when they're supposed to be off and vice versa.
Turned them on for the cows, and then he never turned them on, and then he saw a goat, and then shut them off, and then once the goat crossed, he turned them back on again.
And every now and then you see a Tecate can fly out of one or the other side of the window. Guys are having a blast. What was that?
No, I just saw him drink. I just saw him drink out of it. That was awesome.
Hazard's still on, by the
Yeah.
way. We're in an adorable little town called, I think, San Juan de los Planes. It's very cute. Airing down. Getting ready to hit the road that we had to turn around on last time. But we have a new suspension, and we also we were with our friend Double O, and he had pretty low profile tires, and there's some pretty sharp rocks on there, so that was another reason why we turned around too. We didn't want him to like get a flat. So wish us luck today. We'll see you. It's supposed to be a really beautiful drive, so we're pretty stoked about it. Let's hope the road gods are with us today. Giant cactus forest next to you.
Cacti! Cool. A lot of cactus going through
Yeah.
there.
It begins. Now I'm remembering why we turned around. It's only the beginning, Cowles. It's only the beginning.
A significant light just where it was needed. Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody's losing. Faces merchant change.
Adorable. It's adorable.
It's one of the adorable ones.
Remain the same. The sorrows will be in our dawn. When we finally soar, they'll be gone. Trees will bloom and ice will melt, but your face remains the same. Sorrows will be in our dawn. When we finally soar, they'll be gone. Trees will bloom and ice will melt, but your face remains the same.
See that red dot up there? That's Brian. Climbing the side of a cactus hill, looking for our crashed drone. It's supposed to have obstacle avoidance. I'm not sure the side of a hill counts. Hopefully it's not broken. Just has a bruised ego. It's loose and steep and full of cactuses, so he's like, I can't touch anything. He's like, next time I crash it, I'll be sure to wear my rubber glove or my leather gloves. It does tell you GPS-wise where it is, so the hardest part's gonna be finding it, and then he's gotta get down from there. He made a good point. He's like, I didn't bring it back because he has to have the remote and the drone with him now, and it's too steep. Oh my God, he found it, and I hear it flying. So it must be it's not broken. Yay! Our little bug's still flying. That is such good news. All right, we're up and running again. It's hot out there. All right, we're good. Ooh, sketcheroni.
As you can see, on this one, we were slipping a little. We call these sections clenchy.
Oh, hi.
Wow, that was something. That was something. Hopefully the drone caught, we ran into another car on that road and it was...
Not literally.
No, like ran into as in we were passing another car. They were oncoming. Anyway, that was okay. It was fine. But we made it to the beach. Finding our camp spot for the night. We're gonna call it early. We're not gonna see Doug tonight. We're gonna see Doug tomorrow.
Doug.
Damn, Doug. We're gonna let Carlos do a little swims.
I got my exercise in, my daily hike
Yeah, through the cactus
to
pickers.
the top of the mountain.
I filmed it. Hopefully you
Done
can see.
and done.
I can see the red dot. That was you. Your
Oh.
pants.
My Magnum PIs.
Sure. I got him those.
Man, take it down now.
All right, we're going swimming, and we might just camp here.
There's a chance. We might open up our bar.
It's time.
It is Friday.
It is Friday. I'm gonna beep that out. All right, we're going swimming.
Keep on keeping on.
I'm gonna be friends with those cows, babe. They're so cute. Good boy.
I like the last one. I like the tail.
Leave it. No, leave
That guy.
Boy.
He's got the biggest ears. And his little son. Like, Dad, this is lame. Are we there yet?
What'd you do?
I don't know. We were just sitting drinking.
Oh my god!
And I somehow missed that rock. I didn't know it was underneath the vehicle.
That's impressive.
This thing snuck right up on us.
You only had a half a beer. How'd that even happen?
I don't even know.
All right, well, you can miss that. He's back around it, but that's... Did you just drive up and over that?
Yeah. When did we rip this out of the...
That's pretty big. When didn't we? Probably that massive thing that we hit.
It's supposed to be connected right there.
Oh my god. I don't know, Brian. It could be one of many, many, many times.
I love these bad boys.
Thank God.
The bumpers.
Thank God. Carlos, this is what Carlos does. He gets sand and wetness all over the car. Ugh. We met somebody once who watches our channel, met him in person. He's like, did your van get completely trashed because you drive around with your windows down? I'm like, yes, it does. It's constantly dirty. And then we have to clean it up, and then it gets dirty again the next day, but it's just kind of a thing. So Jim Darlow from Hawaii, yes, our van is always disgusting. Yeah, he did do that before, another time with a tree stump.
Parked right in front of it, didn't know the tree stump was there, and then we pulled straight out and ran right into it.
Yes, and that was like our first kind of major damage. Not major, damage to the vehicle was that stump. Anyway.
Yeah.
Not sure how he missed that, but
I laid a rock.
we've been sitting here in the van.
It kind of blended in. It was camouflage.
I know.
It's like the Geico of rocks.
And we're that's Gecko, not Geico.
I know.
We're headed back to, so we had passed, there was some dudes doing a day trip camp on the beach down here, and they were in the spot that we wanted to camp in tonight. So we've just been hanging out, but they were packing up, leaving not too long ago. So we're gonna go back to that campsite, and that's where we're gonna stay tonight. It's 5:30 p.m.
It's full of cows. I feel like I'm in India.
I know, the beach is full of cows.
What's it mean, Ray?
It's like glowing right over the center of Carlos's stinky dead fish dog bed.
I was thinking something more pleasant.
Well, that's what the camera shows. Pollo, 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 pollo. Yum.
Yeah.
And we're back. Oh my god, we found the honey hole in La Paz.
Oh, daddy.
See you next time. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all the things. It really helps us out by allowing us to reach a larger audience.